So whenever I use Firebase, I always like to create some kind of helper enum that is actually setting nice links to the Firebase. So let's create a new Swift file. I will call this Firebase, let's call this F collection reference. So it's Firebase collection reference, which depending on what we want to save, we will have an enum here, F collection reference, which is conforming to string, and we will have a case order and drinks plural. So we will have these two in our database. You can let's do these orders because order is used. So we will create another function that is going to actually return the link to any of these parameters that we pass. So we say Firebase reference, we will pass something called collection reference, which is of type F collection reference. And this will return a collection reference we need to import the Firebase. That's why it doesn't give us. Import Firebase Firestore Swift collection reference. Command Shift K to clean, so we can get the autocomplete. Sometimes when we are working with Firebase, I think it's giving us a problem because it cannot import. Okay, let's write our function, and we're going to say Firebase dot Firestore, and we're going to initialize this, and then we say collection, and we will pass our collection reference dot raw value, because this is a conforms to string, so the raw value will be string. Command P one more time. Let's see if it builds. Just cannot find collection reference, but it will take some time to build our code because we added a big library of Firebase. So let's leave this as it is until it builds, and let's go to our Firebase repository, and here we are going to change our fetch drinks. Actually, let's quickly write a function that is going to take everything from our dummy menu and save it to our Firebase. Let's put a note here, used to upload menu, and we say func save drinks, and for drink in dummy data drinks, for every drink we have in dummy data, we want to use this to catch block. Okay, and we want to try and access our Firebase reference, and here we are going to pass F collection reference dot drinks because we want to save it in the drinks, and we say document, and we pass our drink dot ID, so this will be our name of the document, and then we say set data, and we're going to pass this. We need to use this from is going to be our drink dot self, because this is the drink we are using encoded. We don't really need this part. And catch, let's say print error saving drink to Firebase. Okay, now we have this function, and we need to call this. So it's inside our Firebase repository. So let's go to our domains, home view model, and I will have a function here, func save menu, and let's access our Firebase repository and save drinks. So we can call this save menu in our presentation, home view, and here on, let's put an on appear here. We say view model dot save menu. Remember to do this only one time. We are going to, I will just clean my project one more time to see if these errors go away, and run. Fingers crossed, Firebase libraries are properly set and we can run our project. We need actually to import the Firebase here as well. So we have Firebase and Firebase Firestore Swift, and Command P. I have a typo here. It's Firestore, not Firebase. So we Firestore and initialize our Firestore and then get the collection, Command P, and hopefully this is done. Yes.